Hello everyone, my name is Bennedict Aditya Siregar from 12 Science 1. Today I'm going to explain about Halley's Comet. Before we go any further, we must know about the definition of comet. Comet is a celestial object composed of ice, dust, gas, and other particles that orbit the Sun. As it approaches the Sun, the heat causes the ice and the gas to vaporize, forming a tail that points away from the Sun. Divide my presentation into three parts. First, I will explain details about Halley's Comet. Next, I will explain how a comet, especially Halley's Comet, can exist. Last but not least is my own conclusion about Halley's Comet from the beginning. First, let me tell you the reason why I chose this topic. It is because Halley's Comet come every 76 years, and if you count how long it takes to show up on Earth, it took so long to see beautiful space objects float above the clouds for once in your life. Next, more detail about Halley's Comet. Halley's Comet, named after the English astronomer Edmund Halley, who predicted its periodic return, is one of the most famous comets in history. Halley's Comet was the first to be observed in detail by spacecraft. It gave the first data on the structure of the comet nucleus and how the coma and the tail form. This observation supports Fred Whipple's dirty snowball model. This correctly predicts that Halley would be composed of mixture of volatile ice such as water, carbon dioxide, ammonia, and dust. The nucleus of Halley comet is estimated to be roughly 15 kilometers in diameter. Now let's get into how Halley's Comet was formed. Actually, Halley's Comet is a regular comet, but the difference is where the comet orbits and how long the orbital cycle shows up on Earth again. First, particles of dust coated with the water ice and other molecules serve as a comet's building blocks. Second, dust particles combine to form icy rocks that join together under the force of gravity. Third, high-speed collision results in loosely bound collection of the fused rock and ice. Fourth, when a comet passes through the inner solar system, its ice forms, releasing a trail of gas and dust. Conclusion: Halley's Comet is one of the most beautiful and popular comets in the solar system. Halley's Comet is a regular visitor from outer space every 76 years. It comes from a distant place called the Oort cloud, which is made of ice, dust. A scientist named Edmund Halley once predicted its return. That is why the name of the comet is Halley's Comet. That's all about Halley's Comet. Thank you everyone.